In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually download any YouTube video from the platform. Very easy, guys, very simple. You could also get additional benefit by simply doing so. Let me show you. If you launch the YouTube app, let's scroll down and find the video that we want to download. Let's say, for example, we want to download this video here with the JP Morgan CEO. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots under the video itself. You click on it, and then I want you to select the option number 4, which is download the video. When you click on it, you will see that you have two option qualities that you can actually use. So first of all, you can download the video in high quality, 720, or you can download the video in medium quality, which is 360. The only small note that we should include over here is that YouTube will allow you to download the video only if you have a YouTube Premium subscription. When you actually sign up for this subscription, the first month YouTube will give you a free trial, and then the next month and every following month will cost you $18.99. The pro tip that I mentioned that you're gonna get as additional benefit will be that with YouTube Premium, you don't have to watch ads on the videos. Essentially, when you click, you're gonna have the video played automatically without any interruption. So if this makes sense for you, getting the two benefits, being able to download any video and watch any video without ads, well, probably this is the best decision for you. Remember, this is different platform. It's not like copying links and using third-party apps or softwares, downloading videos, Reels or Instagram or Twitter. YouTube is very, very different, very, very harsh with the copyright issues. So this is the only legitimate way for you to download videos on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.